Hey guys, I just wanted to welcome you back to another video, and today is two quick cards using the brand new Roses Are Red collection from Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasures. All of the links to Dawn's online shop and all of her social media, as well as the other gals on the design team, will all be down in the description box below. So if you haven't gotten any yet, I definitely recommend going to get it. If you do not have a printer or access to a printer, if you let her know, please email Dawn at her www.shinysilvertreasures.com site, and she can send you a set. There's a little bit of an extra charge for the printing and the shipping, but she can definitely get a set to you. And I believe you get 2 sheets of each pattern. So if you want to get some, don't let it being a digital file stop you. She can get a set printed out for you. And also don't forget to check out her new best friend stamp set. So cute. I will be having some more videos coming up using that. I had the one sneak peek so far where I had fun playing around with my jelly plate while I had it out and made a simple card using the stamp and the jelly plate. But there will be some more fun videos coming up using the stamp set and doing some coloring and stuff like that. So keep a lookout for those. And definitely please go check out all the videos for the other design team members and Dawn's channel for all the amazing fun stuff that has been getting made with this. Again, I am in great company. All the gals are so talented, and I say it all the time, and I know you'll hear me say it all the time. It's so much fun because we all have the same set of papers and we all come up with something completely different. So it's always fun seeing what the other gals do, learning new things, based off of what they did. We all learn from each other and spark ideas. So you definitely need to get in on that fun action for yourself for sure. So again, all their links will be down in the description box below. So I'm going to do the normal thing and put the rest of this to music, and it's just the 2 cards, so I don't really need to come back and do a voiceover recap for those. You'll be able to see pretty much everything I did to make it. But anyway, hope you have fun. Enjoy the video. Definitely go check out Dawn. Like I said, all the links will be down in the description box below. And just love this, love this, love this, love this collection. I mean, I love all of her stuff. So you'll hear me say that a lot too. Like every time you think she can't outdo herself, then she comes out with the next thing. And it's just amazing. So much talent. So Dawn, definitely always mad props for you. Your creativity is just the bomb diggity. That's all I'm going to say. So, all right, I will leave it here. So take care, you guys. Like I said, stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.